here on this new car Eacher. Yeah, you see it's Eacher. Now they said they told me replace the engine belt. When I pulled out the engine belt, it's broken. So I looked at how it got broken, you know. You must examine very well what made this belt broken. This broken, this belt broken as a result of tension, you know. It was pulled either side, so it broke. So you must, if it's broken sideways like a curtain, you suspect something is something cut it, maybe fall into the pulley. But this is broken as a result of tension. So what do you have to check? You have to check all the pulleys. Started by checking all the idle pulleys, and what I found is that it has two dynamo. It has the one and that one you see downside there, here, that pulley there, the small one. You look at it, yeah, that pulley is jammed. So I round it like this, and I found it was stuck. So the dynamo, it has two alternators and one alternator jam, so that's why it ended up breaking up. So you don't just replace parts, always find the problem why the parts got damaged. You understand? Yeah. So if someone just come and replace the belt, you end up breaking that same another belt and again go into a double expense. So you have to replace the alternator. Have to open that alternator, check why is jam. Maybe bearing, we repair. If it's repairable, we shall repair. If not repairable, we shall put new alternator, then new belt. After everything would be fine. Thanks for watching. Keep tuned and wait for more good things. Thanks.